The sperm whale has the most powerful sonar in the natural world, a weapon of unimaginable force. Even though it boasts massive teeth capable of crushing the bones of creatures like giant squid, its spermaceti organ is its true weapon. This oil-filled chamber unleashes clicks that slice through the ocean's depths. These sonic blasts map the abyss with terrifying precision, not to stun, but to locate an elusive prey. In the crushing dark, its sonar dominates the depths, guiding the whale through a world where light never reaches. With deadly accuracy, it hunts and navigates, a true predator of the deep, where only its sound reigns supreme.